Hello. This is an unboxing video. True YouTube scum. I don't know what this is. I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon last week. And I don't know what I got. This thing has lithium-ion batteries. It's actually interesting because they have like a warning. Another box. Oh! This is for a customer project. That is cool. Look, this is a Square card reader. Like, Square is a brand of credit card readers. And then this, oh, I'm so excited. This is this is like an off-brand credit card reader. And I have a project involving credit cards. Oh, that's so cool. Specifically, well, that's the most specific I can get. Oh, nice. Okay, so this came with this disc. I was worried about that. Oh, look at this. NFC. Sweet. Sweet. And some blank chips. So what is this called? NFC. Yeah, NFC or near field communication. I forgot the other word. But anyway. Yeah, like you ever like tap your ID on a little keypad and then the door opens. So like that's a technology called NFC, and it's used by like credit cards. It's used by all kinds of stuff. But I haven't really played with it before, so now I get to play with that. So that's fun. So I'm excited I got that. But this is my order. So this must be all my clothes. Black, I know what this is. It's just the black military jacket. So just like the black military jacket, we got, hell yeah, emergency, very good COVID supplies. This, check this out. What? You're gonna be like, what in the world is Michael wearing? You have no idea. You're gonna be like, is Michael insane? Hell yeah. You're gonna be like, what? What is he wearing? What is he wearing? Oh, hell yeah. The freshest freaking... What am I wearing? Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Actually, it's pretty high. That's pretty fun. Huh? Come on. That's so funny. Alright. That's great. And then we got some shoes. Look at this shoe. That's gonna be cool. Okay.